Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is get everything we need. So we need a water bottle, some hair gel or conditioner, your toothbrush for your hair, and some ponies, stuff like that. Okay, so once you have everything you need, maybe a hairbrush, maybe a comb as well, okay, then we can start. Okay, so the first hairstyle we're going to recreate is a half up, half down hairstyle. We're going to take some clips. Make sure you have some cute butterfly clips with you. So just take your clips, spray your hair a little bit with the water. I like to also just spray my brush. So make sure that's wet. Take one of the clips and I only like taking above my by my brow. I don't like take the whole of my hair, like half of it, just the little top, the little bit at the top, not too much. Just take it and grab it with your fingers. Harder than it looks. Shit. Okay. Cute. Isn't it cute? Low-key. Okay, it's kind of cute. So we're going to take the other side as well. Not too much, just about this much of hair. Just so it also gives us an illusion of more hair, more volume. So it's a really cute hairstyle. Okay. Now it's time for us to do our edges. Once you put the two clips on the top half of your hair, you're going to wet your toothbrush with some water and put a little bit of conditioner or gel, as you prefer. I put conditioner and a little bit of gel just mixed together. Don't use too much gel because it is bad for your hair. Just put a little bit on your toothbrush and then slowly guide your baby hairs in the direction where you want them to go. It's so cute, low-key. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute hairstyle. Yeah, so let's do the other side. Just put on some more conditioner. Okay, and there you have it. This is the first hairstyle. I really love this hairstyle. It's super cute and playful. I really like it. The next hairstyle we're going to do is a space bun. I just washed my hair today. Take your elastic, a black elastic, well, depending on your hair color, something that blends in and that you won't see too much. Take your hair, separate it curl by curl, so you don't destroy your curls. Just take as much, rather take a whole clump instead of like breaking it up, you know. So grab your hair, put some water just so it's extra sleek and neat. Then what you can do is take your elastic, just wrap it around once. Don't pull your hair out fully. And then go around another time. And then kind your hair around, grab your curls, and take your pony again, and kind of go half, like don't go half like that, that's what I mean. And then one thing I like to do is the extra long pieces, I just tuck it around the pony, so that's what I do. So it's not so tight, but it's still like covering the band and you still have support, you know. Once again, just make sure your edges are in place. And this is the final look. I really like this hairstyle. I think it's so adorable. We're going to do an updo next. So just take out the pony from the last hairstyle. That's why I low-key, I don't like making hairstyles. I don't make them too much because firstly they take a lot of time. Only if it's like a special occasion then I make a hairstyle, you know, if I wanted to go with a specific look. But like, I just washed my hair, look now. Whenever you put your hair in a pony, just know that it's done. Like, it's done. You can never go back to just like wearing it like natural because it fucks up your curls. The updo that we are going to do right now, you need a pony, a little bit of water, okay, you're gonna go it back, flip your hair. We're gonna do the pineapple. This is called the pineapple. And since my pony is kind of tight, I'm just gonna go like halfway, like I showed you, and stop like over there. Because it's like super tight on my head, so I don't want it to be too tight. And all of this extra hair, what you can do is you can literally just wrap it around or tuck it in, you know, just tuck it in. Don't forget to put some gel on your toothbrush and water, and just touch up your baby hairs once again. Put some water on your toothbrush and grab the curls at the back. I think it looks super cute when you have baby hairs out. It's just like an extra attention to detail, like you really took the time, and it really gives you that sleek look. So if it is something that you want to achieve, I suggest you start doing your baby hairs. And there you have it, the super cute updo. This one I recommend for occasions out or like work. It's a really good hairstyle just to keep your hair out of your face, but also looking super polished. With the front pieces of hair, use some conditioner or gel on your brush, and then just comb out your hair. Put some conditioner and water water on the front pieces and just make sure that's detangled. Split it in half, and then what I want you to do is spray some more water because it always needs more water. Your hair must have enough water and conditioner in your hair for it to easily just slip through your finger like this, and then just let it go. So do that on the other side. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. I would also really appreciate if you take the time to just comment something, comment anything you like, or might as well comment a video suggestion for me, something that you are interested in seeing. Thank you so much. Bye.